In this class, as I told you, that our probability theoretical portion is completed. Now I came with some problems. We will solve problems one by one. I hope by practicing this problem and your textbook as well, the concept of probability will be clear to you. Let's get started. The first question: which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? How can you think the sum? Look at the options. First option is 2 by 3 minus 1.5, 15%, 0.7. We know that probability of any event is always lies between 0 and 1. Okay. So here one option is I am watching, that is minus 1.5. Probability of any event cannot be negative. So which of the following cannot be? So this is the right answer. They can be. It's a 2 by 3 proper fraction. 15%. 15% means 15 by 100. So proper fraction. 0.7 means 7 by 10. So they all are proper fraction. So they can be the probability of any event, but these cannot. Come to the next problem. Probability of an event E plus probability of an event not E. What is the sum of them? That means the complement of an event, not E. Not E means it's a complement. So probability, we studied probability of an event A plus probability of not A means A complement is equal to 1. So what will be the answer? That will be 1. I hope it's clear. Read the third one. If probability of E is 0.05, E is an event. What is the probability of not E? So we have to solve this sum by using this formula. So let's solve. So probability of E plus probability of not E or E complement you can write equal to 1. So that implies probability of not E equal to 1 minus 0.05. So it will be 0.95. It's the answer. I hope it's clear. Let's jump to the next sum. Okay. Yeah, come to this sum. Now we will solve this sum. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red and not red? So, how to solve this type of sum? How will you write in the examination? Look at here in this bag. How many red balls? 3 red balls. And how many black balls? 5 black balls. So you will write total ball in the bag equal to 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Okay. Now, what is the question? How many red balls are there? We know how to think the probability problems. Let this is a consider this is a bag, okay, or this is a container. Here 3 red balls and 5 black balls are there. So now I tie your eyes and I told you draw one ball. What is the probability that that ball will be the red ball? It may or may not, but we find the chances. Okay. So if you draw, it may be black also. Okay. But what is the chance that it will be a red ball? So there are how many red balls? 3 red balls. Okay, 3 red balls. And total how many balls? 8 red balls. So a red ball equal to 3. So hence question number 1, probability of getting a red ball equal to, what is the classical definition of probability? Now, favorable events mean number of red balls by total number of balls. Okay, so this is, so what is very easy? 3 by 8. This is my total number of events. How many balls are there? That is total number of events. Okay, so I hope it's clear. So not red ball. Number 2, probability of getting not red ball equal to, you can write here, number of not red ball by total number of ball equal to, not, there are two kinds of balls, so 5 by 8. You can solve by this way or another way. Since it's told not red ball, we can use that formula, probability of A plus probability of A complement equal to 1. So we can use, so probability of A complement equal to 1 minus probability of getting red ball. So 1 minus 3 by 8 equal to 5 by 8. So anyway, we can solve it. Okay, I hope it's clear. Let's go to the next problem. Okay, let's start this sum. Read it out. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number, a number lying between 2 and 6, an odd number. First write what? First write the sample space. Okay. So solution. What is the random experiment? Random experiment is throwing a die. Okay, how many times? One time. So A is equal to sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope it's clear. So it will be the sample space. Sample space means probable number of probable outcomes. Okay, set of probable outcomes. Now, one by one, I will write the answer. Number 1, a prime number. Here, so you have to write A is, let A is your event. Okay, A is equal to a prime number. So what are the favorable events which are prime? 2, 3 and 5. So they are favorable events. So you will write 2, 3, 5. So hence probability of, no need to write a prime number, just A you write, equal to favorable number of events by total number of events in the sample space. So how many favorable number of events? 3 are there. 3, and total number of events in the sample space, there are 6. So 1 by 2. Okay, come to the next. Number 2. A number lying between 2 and 6. Let B is an event a number lying between 2 and 6, okay, equal to, what are the events, favorable events here, between 2 and 6. So 3, 4, 5. Again, hence probability of the event B equals to 3 by 6 equal to half. Okay, and the last one, an odd number. I think we solved this one. An odd number. So which are odd in this sample space? 1, 3, 5. We know that. 1, 3, 5. So hence probability of C equals to same, 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. So all the probability of them are same. Okay. I hope this problem is clear. Let's go to the next problem. Question number 6. A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the numbers 1, 2, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and these are equally likely outcomes. What is the probability that it will point at 8, an odd number, a number greater than 2, a number less than 9? Look at this figure here. Okay, so this is an arrow, so it is a spinning, like it's a gambling actually. Okay, you could watch in a cinema or somewhere, so where it will stop, this one. So but here there is a new term I forgot actually. When I teach the I taught that the theory portion. What is equally likely outcomes? Equally likely outcomes we'll discuss here a little bit, then we'll come here. Equally likely, in a class, we don't know how good or how bad the students are. There is an examination, so everyone has equal chance to become first. So that is equally likely events. Okay, equally likely. Everyone, if we roll a dice, roll a dice, we can't say that one will come more than 6. One has more chance than 6, or 6 has more chance than 5. We can't say. If it is just a coin like Sole, have you seen Sole? There was a coin. It was two sides. Two sides were same, both are head, so that was biased one. That's why Amitabh Bachchan was winning every time. But if I toss a general coin, if I toss this coin, so head or tail, they have equal chances, so that's why they are called equally likely events. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now come to this problem. It's very easy, as of you are solving the same kind of sum so far, so I think it's easy. So here total how many events are there? Total 8 are there. I am writing answer here, not writing all the things. Okay, so probability of getting 8, what is the chance? 8 are there. How many times 8 is there? One time. So it's very easy, 1 by 8. Now question number 2. Probability of an odd number equal to an odd number. So 1 to 8. How many odd numbers are there? 1, 3, 5, 7. 4 are there. So 4 odd numbers. Favorable number of events by total number of events means how many numbers? 8. So it's half. I hope it's clear. You got it. Next this one. Probability of a number greater than 2. A number greater than 2. How many are there greater than 2? 3, 2, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 6. So 6 numbers are there which are more than 2, and total there were 8. So make it list form. So it's a 3 by 4 is the answer. A number less than 9. What is the probability? I'm writing here the answer. Probability of a number less than 9. Less than 9. It's a sure event. It's a sure event. All are less than 9. So 8 by 8 equal to 1. Okay, got it? Move to the next sum. Now question number 7. A lot of 20 bulbs contains 4 defective ones. One bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? And the next problem is there. This problem, it seems very big, very difficult, but I'm telling it's very easy. Okay, read carefully. You can solve it. Okay, now solution. Acha, what is given? There are like 20 bulbs are there. Okay, out of 20, how many are defective? 4 are defective. So you write total bulb equal to 20. Defective bulb equal to 4. So good bulb equal to 16. Just finish. Now what is the probability that this bulb is defective? Total favorable number of events by total number of events. So hence probability of getting defective bulb equal to 4 by 20. 1 by 5. Is clear, I hope. And the next sum, number 2. Quite interesting, but not difficult, I'm telling you. It's very lucid question. Okay, very lucid question. Suppose the bulb drawn in 1 means this question number 1 is not defective. Suppose is not defective means a good one. There were 20 bulbs you drawn, okay, but it was a good one, no problem, so not defective, and is not replaced. You didn't keep it again, you keep it aside. Now one bulb is drawn at random from the rest. So how many are left? So now total bulb equal to 19, because what I already drawn I didn't replace. Good bulb equal to how many? Is not defective means the good one. Total good ones are 16. Now 15. So defective bulb equal to 4 only. What is the now the question is what is the probability that this bulb is not defective? Okay, so good one. So hence probability of not defective equal to 15 by 90. I hope it's clear. Okay, let's solve the next one. Now come to this sum. This question number 8. What is the sum? In a race between Mahesh and John, the probability that John will lose the race is 0.54. Find the probability of winning of Mahesh and winning of John. It's the problem of that complement of an event. Okay. Solution. What is given? Now, John will lose the race is 0.54. So what is the chance that John will lose? That is the chance of winning of Mahesh. So its answer is directly that will be 0.54. No problem. And what is the winning of John? No need to write here also. I'm not writing here. Again, 1 minus its losing chance is 0.54. So its winning chance is 1 minus 0.54. Okay, 0.56. I hope it's clear. So it's very easy. It was very easy sum. Let's jump to a very interesting sum. It's a calendar problem. Question number 9. This is a there are two sums. Very interesting sum. And this is the calendar problem. Okay. So let's read out the sum. What is the probability that a randomly chosen non-leap year has a total 53 Mondays? And this sum is what is the probability that a randomly chosen leap year has a total 53 Mondays? First, we have to have the idea. A leap year consists of how many days? 366 days. And a normal year, which is not leap year, it consists of 365 days. Okay. So 365 days, look at here, 365 divided by 7. Okay. In the sum, you need not to do it. I'm just to make you understand this one. If I divide it, okay. So how many? What is the quotient here? 52. So that means 52 weeks are there. 52 weeks consist of how many Mondays, how many Sundays, how many Tuesdays? No, 52. There will be 52 Monday, 52 Sunday, 52 Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all 52. And what is the remainder? What is the remainder? That is 1. That means this 365 equal to 52 into 7 plus 1. So the problem is here 52 Sundays, 52 Mondays, 52 Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday are there. It is making problem. If it's Monday, there will be 53 Mondays. If this one is Sunday, there will be 53 Sundays. So what is the chance that it will be Monday? Okay, so we'll understand. I hope it's clear. There are 52 weeks. We know that. So this is 365th day and this is 364th day and this is 365th day. Okay, 365th day. So 365th day has to be Monday, then it will be, because 364 is divisible by 7. So if it is Sunday, then it will be Monday. If it is Monday, it will be Tuesday. If it is Tuesday, it will be Wednesday. If it is Thursday, it will be. If it is Wednesday, it will be Thursday. If it's Thursday, if it will be Friday. If it's Friday, if it will be Saturday. If it is Saturday, it will be Sunday. So I had the problem about this day, 365th one. So how many possibilities are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 possibilities are there. And what is my favorable event? That is Monday. Here it is Monday. If they give Tuesday or Sunday or Saturday, whatever, same answer. Okay. So it will be out of 7, 1. So its answer is 1 by 7. I hope it's clear. Now come to this sum. Leap year means how many days? Leap year means 366 days. If I divide it 366, it will be 52 into 7 plus 2. So this 2 will create the difference. 2 days. So we'll see how we can fill it. So if it is 364, 365th and 366th day. Okay. So if it is Sunday, it will be Monday and Tuesday. If it is Monday, it will be Tuesday and Wednesday. If it is Tuesday, it will be Wednesday and Thursday. If it is Wednesday, then it will be Thursday and Friday. If it is Thursday, it will be Friday and Saturday. If it is Friday, it will be Saturday and Sunday. If it's Saturday, it will be Sunday and Monday. So these 2 days will create difference. So how many possibilities are there? Total 7 possibilities. Among these 7 possibilities, this is one possibility, this is one possibility, this is another, and so total 7 possibilities are there. These 2 days can be filled up by these 7 possibilities. These 7 possibilities contains how many Mondays? Here one, here one. Any one of them, if happens, there will be 53 Mondays. It's for Sunday also, same answer. Okay, so if any one of them happens, then we will get 53 Sundays. So what is the probability? Out of 7, 2 contains Monday. So answer is 2 by 7. I hope it's clear. Very interesting sum it was. Thank you. Another interesting sum. Question number 10. A box contains some black balls and 30 white balls. If the probability of drawing a black ball is 2/5 of white ball, find the number of black balls in the box. So black ball, number of black balls is not given. So you choose it. Solution. Let number of black balls equal to X. Okay. So in the bag, how many balls are there? So total number of balls in the bag equal to X plus 30. X plus 30. And now there is a relation is given. If the probability of drawing a black ball is 2/5 of the white ball, find the number of black balls. So now What is the probability of drawing a black ball? How many black balls are there? X. Total number of balls, X plus 30. So X by X plus 30 equal to, we can say, 2/5 of how many white balls? 30 white balls. So 30 by X plus 30. Okay. 30 by X plus 30. So X plus 30, X plus 30 got cancelled. So X equal to 12. So it's a very easy sum. Okay. It was a very easy sum.